Made like this weird sound, and then the engine shut off. If you decide to get one of these vans, get towing on your insurance. I'm Ross, and this is my van, Nalu. Original Carfax report just showed a long history of the vehicle being taken back to the original dealer since its purchase. Some of the major repairs, oh yeah, the distributor, oil change and everything, came to $841. Motor mounts gave out at 293,000 miles. Rear end issues. This was an ongoing thing till I finally got it taken care of by a person that specializes in rear ends. It was $944. Oh, fuck, this one sucked. The security light, the only place to get it fixed was to have it taken to the dealer. $1,100. You get that security light, you're kind of fucked. I'm just telling you right now. Just get ready for it. Just don't waste your time calling around and seeing if some guy can do it. Call a fucking GMC dealer and have it taken in. And just fuck it. I don't remember this. Control arm ball joints. I think my total bill on this was about $600, but these were changed at 244,000 miles. Heater blower fan. Blue. Thermostat blue. And I had more rear end problems. $1,500. Brakes pads, shocks, rear shocks. Well, front and rear shocks made a huge difference. Dude, I am telling you, that rear end was a fucking real problem until I got it fixed. What the fuck is this? Oil leak and found the front differential seal was leaking. And whatever. If I take my van in regularly, making sure everything is up and running tight. I don't even remember, but it was $1,000. Something kind of big. Brakes, distributor cap and rotor, blah, blah, blah. That's about it. Some of the other main things I had done. The first thing I had done was the rear shocks. The composite leaf springs were just so weak. The rear end was sagging, especially on this side. So I had them replaced with some steel ones. The right front torsion bar has always been weak. So my right front is kind of tilted down. It kind of lifts up the rear. It's kind of how I feel sometimes, you know. But replaced both torsion bars in the front. The main thing coming up is a motor. Recently it's been idling rough. Low pressure in one of the valves. So the sign of a burnt valve. Which basically means that over 300,000 miles, this engine's tired. I do go through about a quart of oil at every, 7,500 miles, and that's usually how far I'll run it between oil changes. Always run synthetic, but really looking forward to a new motor, and that should be coming up hopefully later this year. Van update. Made like this weird sound, and then the engine shut off, waiting for my tow truck. I'm so sad. Yeah, I'm just waiting for the tow truck. It's not so bad because I get to hang out in my little mobile clubhouse and I broke down right in front of a convenience store. So I went in and grabbed a sandwich. I just happened to have some drinks in my cooler, watching some YouTube videos, and hey, we'll see what happens next. So lucky to get a tow on Easter. If you decide to get one of these vans, I suggest that you get towing on your insurance. I get it through Verizon, so a few extra dollars I spend each month, it pays off.